Hello everybody, I'm thinking of doing another channel. Starting up another channel about parrots. Two parrots in particular. You can probably hear them in the background about now. So just let me know below if you'd be interested in a channel just about Pixel and Strawbs. Probably mostly Pixel, we'll see. Anyway, let me know if you're interested in that idea, and then from now on I would put all the videos about them. There's quite a few backlog videos I've got of Pixel to edit. They would all go on that channel, and this channel would just be about Pheasantasiam. Let me know what you think. See you on the next one. Strawbs! Squawky bird.